Hello, hello.
Hello.
Hello, Thomas. How are you?
Yes, very fine. Thanks. And you?
Good, good. I was away for summer vacation, so trying to get back into business and trying to remember what I was doing before.
I was also on vacation last week. So,
Oh, all right. Yeah, how was it?
yes, not
Good.
too cold.
Yeah.
How
Yeah.
was it for you?
Yeah, it was good. Yeah.
Did you travel somewhere or?
I went for a week. Yeah, from here to Turkey and then back here in Finland, mostly just driving around here and there. So
But it's a bit colder in Finland, right?
it is, yeah. It started to be suddenly the temperatures are dropping, like, but no complaints. I think this year has been good summer compared to the previous one. The temperatures are good, but then it just drops slightly in the evening. Hi, Sing.
Hi, Ashiv, Tom.
Hello.
Let's wait for a couple of minutes more and then can start.
Hey, hi, Alexa.
Hello.
Hello.
Excited for KubeCon.
Oh yeah, looking forward to see you folks there. And Tom, will you be there too?
At least I'll be there. I don't know, Thomas. Are you
I will
are
also
you
be
there?
there.
Yeah,
Yes.
you'll be there.
Oh,
Okay.
okay, awesome.
So I think all of us are there, as far as I know.
Yeah.
Not sure if Mesut will come, but at least he planned it.
Yep. Hi, Raghu.
Hey Kashif, how's it going?
Good, good. So Alexa was asking who's joining KubeCon. Will you be in KubeCon?
No, I don't have any presentations in
All right.
KubeCon. So yeah, no, it's like good topics there, but we'll just catch up
Okay.
after the KubeCon completes. They just post a lot of the videos.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. Nowadays it's pretty fast.
Yes. So it looks like you guys are going to KubeCon.
Yeah, the rest of us are mostly there.
You guys have any presentations, or is it mostly part of the tag group?
Personally, so we have, of course, one of these that I have mentioned here, this panel, the tag infrastructure panel. I think I have it open here. I think Zing was also here, but I don't know for what reason I don't see Zing's name here, maybe. But anyways, so yeah, but I have other uh talks as well.
Oh,
But
that's a
Very
cute
good.
cat. It's just
Thanks. Sorry to interrupt. He's very needy today for some reason.
okay, I think we can slowly get started with the business. So, um, welcome everyone. So feel free to add yourself in the attendee list. I hope you can access the meeting notes. I saw that while I was away for vacation, there were some hiccups with the notes.cncf.io. And
oh
then we
yeah.
were, yeah, and we were maintaining this in the Google Docs, and this is now again editable.
Okay. It's actually
You have,
weird, right? You see, it has this archive link.
yeah, that's what I saw in the
It's kind of weird.
one of the message thread
Anyway,
in TOC channel. But
Okay.
anyhow, I hope this doesn't go away and gets archived, but let's see.
Yeah, I think let's keep that link. So,
Yeah.
in the Google Doc as a backup.
Yeah, there
Yeah.
is a link here, and I think, I don't know, maybe it's better to, you are right. I can see if I can copy the link and add it here. So previous meeting notes are here. And then let's keep it here so that we don't lose them. So yeah, let's start. I had just added some rough agendas, project board checkup, initiative updates, project reviews updates, and then any other business. So I was actually going through this project board and it was really messy. So I have actually now added these filters or labels with the help of Rian and then saved it so that we all can at least only check if there are any open issues or tag items or initiatives from the tag infrastructure perspective. So I hope that's okay. If not, do ping me, Zing, or Dylan, and then we can change the filters. I don't know if other leads also have the access, but at least we three should have. But yeah, needs triage doesn't have anything open that we should really check. Then in the tag items, I saw one thing. So all of these are initiatives which we are going to discuss in the next agenda item. But there is one project review application that came in, the Meshery, which is probably under our umbrella, tag infrastructure. I just wanted to check if this was discussed before and if someone is actually volunteering for this.
Are you sharing anything? And you're just
No, I
showing.
can share, yeah.
Okay, you're
Just a
just showing
second.
the.
Yeah, sorry for that. So let me know if you can see the correct window. Do you see
Yeah.
Meshery application? Yeah. Sorry, I will go through it again just in case of the recording. So yeah, this is the view in the or filter that I have saved so that we only see our items that are open in tag infrastructure. So, but anyways, yeah, I was mentioning about this Meshery application. Um, and then this is under our tag umbrella. I
Oh, okay.
think.
So this one, this is under project because when I was checking initiatives, this one didn't show up. That's why maybe. So this probably
Yeah,
is.
you have a different view. So initiatives are here
Oh,
and
okay. So
tag items
probably
are
it's.
here. And then if there are any issues which needs tries, these are here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So okay, so yeah.
Yeah. So I would like us to have a look if some of us from the tag leads or even from other those who are not tag leads want to actually check this and help review. Let's do that. I'm not sure honestly that what's the current status if the governance review or tech review has been done. Let's quickly check that. I see there is a link. So yeah, actually this is assigned to Joseph and it's in progress. Okay, that's good. At least the tech review is in
This is
progress.
applying for what? Okay, what's the status it's trying to apply for?
Incubation.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, how'd you get there from the link that I got on? Needs review is empty. I just that's where
Um,
you clicked. Needs triage.
sorry, which one?
Oh yeah, same
In,
thing.
in, in this board, you mean?
From the Google link, label needs triage tag infrastructure is open, and for me, there's nothing there. It's empty.
Yeah. So because there is no issue which needs triage probably from our
Oh,
side. But if you move this to tag items, then here, as I'm doing, then you will see that there are few. Do you see that?
yeah. Yeah, I was on the
All
wrong
right.
spot.
Yeah. Okay. Yep. So, sorry, where was I? I forgot. Yeah, I was actually checking the tech review that Joseph is doing, and then was it so that the governance review is also done? And if it is, then I think we are good. Well, I don't see any governance review mentioned anywhere. Mm-hmm. Okay, no, I don't see anything. But anyhow, this is something that we should probably join the project review meeting and clarify. One of us should be able to help. So if you have time, please, I would highly encourage. I am currently already involved in one of the reviews for QVIT graduation, so I won't have the legs to do that. But others, if you have, please try to help review this one. All right, going back to the original agenda, then I don't think we have anything else other than the initiative. So let's go dig into that. Before I start discussing this, there was one item that was brought that one of the initiative doesn't have anyone assigned, and we need to assign one of the tag leads. On this one, this is the AI for Science Cloud Native Foundation white paper. So I need volunteers so that we can actually at least assign someone who can track the progress of this one.
What does it entail to track it?
Yeah, to track it and then make sure that this progresses well. Zinc, would you please correct me if I'm wrong? Or is there something specific that a tag lead should actually do who is assigned to this one?
I think it's asking us to at least have some leads from tech infrastructure to
Mm-hmm.
assign to this one the kind of follow up with this.
Yeah.
Like, do I need to like write anything, review anything? What do I mean? Like,
You
what
definitely
is?
need to review. Yeah, the this one, I actually read this one briefly. It's actually pretty interesting. It's like pretty big initiative actually. So I think it's even fine if like there are multiple people get assigned. I think it should be probably fine.
Yep.
Um,
Yep.
the only
Let's
thing
go.
might be a little challenging to get on those meetings because I just look at it. It looks like they are more kind of in uh like the eight what is that the other time zone is not like a US time zone. I think I was looking if you look at it was I actually look at the time they are hosting the meetings. uh so I would say at least try to communicate with them and see what's going on and at least to follow up and try to review their work.
Yeah, I also think the same. That's some.
Otherwise, I think would be because this one was not like initially started from us, right? So maybe just try to follow up and try to see what's the work they're doing. Right now, I don't see at least they're not sharing any links. They probably have some meetings going on, but I think if we are kind of the time zone wise, I found it's maybe a little hard for us to.
Where did you see the meeting
If
links?
you move down, they actually have like a they
Here?
no, no, go down. You can see here. You see,
Oh,
to
okay.
find
Right.
some
Yes.
meeting, but you see that it's not even the US time is not even there.
Okay. And this was
So,
pretty recent. Okay.
yeah, this is pretty new, but I think this is actually very big. It's actually, I would be very interested in this one. Also, so I can also be there, but I don't think I can be like join their meeting because the time zone is just not, it's not for
Yeah.
us, right? Um,
Yeah.
but
And I
just
think
just
it's
to
not
follow up.
not needed. Yeah, exactly. It's not needed that you need to be in the meeting every time, but I think at least one tag lead needs to make sure that this is progressing and check time to time with them. How is it going? So
Just to just like
So,
see their like progress and then if
Yeah.
they
yeah,
have
exactly.
produced something we need to review it because I think if they have something if you look at the scope actually a lot of interesting it's pretty huge though. So I'm not sure
Mm,
what they're trying to produce it's like a very big scope. It's
mm.
actually quite interesting.
Yeah, I
So
mean, I was a chemistry major, so I'd be interested in this one if you need someone, if you like need help or anything.
Wow, of course. Yeah, yeah. I will initially tag you here. Thanks a lot for
Well, I
coming
mean, like
forward.
I know that Jing was saying that she
Yeah.
wants to too. I'm okay. Like if you're like interested, like we can like tag team together. Tag team.
I
It's
could
actually fine.
also
Yeah,
I could
I think
also
it's actually
assist
fine to
there.
have more than one. I think it's fine to have more than one people. That's
Yeah.
Yeah,
those.
why not?
So you can
Yeah, I'm
also
not sure
you
if
can
there are
actually
any.
add my name there as because some of those are actually very relevant. It's just this the only concern I have is this seems to be huge. I'm not sure. It's
Yeah.
what is the scope? Uh, right
I
for what?
haven't honestly read myself either. It just came to know about this today because, as I said, I was away, but I will
If you
take a
read it,
look.
it's actually very interesting. It's just a
Yeah.
huge. Uh,
I will
I don't
probably
even know.
assign
Like I
myself
don't
as
even know
well.
if one paper is enough to cover all of them.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. So now we completely covered.
We
I
have
think
four of
we can
us. I
we
will
can
I will
all
tag myself as well.
definitely we
Yeah.
can all definitely if they have some work coming out, we can definitely help review
Exactly. Yeah.
those.
Yeah.
Yeah, the only concern I was having is just like the meeting time because they didn't even have the US time zone in there at all. So that's why I did
Yeah.
not
Yeah.
sign up initially. It's like but if we have, multiple
We can
people,
start
at least we
the
want to make sure whatever the work coming out of that, we can make sure, it didn't miss anything major. Yeah.
yeah. So let's just kickstart the discussion. Let's see what they are up to and if we can help, what is the progress, and that would be really nice. So Zing, Alexa, Thomas, and yes, to check the progress or status.
Oh, did they automatically add us to some channel? I just see some nice thing.
I did.
Did you get
I
it
just
too?
added.
Oh,
Yeah.
you added.
Yeah.
Oh,
I just,
okay. I thought they have some bot automatically added.
I'm the bot.
Okay, cool.
Oh, I just noticed, hi, Mesut, you have joined. Hello. We were just discussing about this new initiative, and it's required to have some assignees from tech infrastructure leads, and
Hmm.
four of us have volunteered. So
Hi everyone. Sorry. Yeah, it is new white paper, isn't it?
yeah,
Okay.
it's really well. I don't know if it's new, but that is something that came up in our discussion topic recently. Yes,
Yeah, there was a discussion. I can remember. As I remember, I have added my name in the comment section
you have. Oh,
maybe two
shall I
months.
assign you too on this one then?
Yeah, sure. I mean, there was
Okay.
a meeting as I remember last week maybe or two
Oh,
weeks
you were
ago.
in that meeting?
No, I was on vacation. I couldn't.
Oh,
But
oh, if the time zone work for you, where are you based?
Germany.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, I think they cover Europe. I was like my concern is they don't even have like the US time zone in there. So when they decide the meeting, so if you can follow up with, if you can join those meetings, that'll be awesome, right? You can bring some updates. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
sure. But
great. I
but
think
Okay.
we have this one covered.
but the guy I forget what is the name of the guy, but he has asked many times in the Slack. There is a Slack chat group, sub channel. It is WGAI4S. Yeah, you are
Oh,
there.
I think they Alicia just got us all
Yeah,
joined.
yeah. I see your names there,
Okay.
and then
Oh,
is
yeah.
Jimuli, this guy. He asked many times, but I think he didn't get an answer.
All
But
right.
for Singapore, for European countries, for USA, he tried to organize different
Okay.
groups,
Oh,
not just
awesome, awesome. Oh, I see that Paco is also there because he is based in China. He sees from the Workload Foundation, I believe. So okay,
Yeah.
okay, good, good. Oh yeah, okay. Now I see you. I see you were there like a few months back. You joined. Okay,
Yeah.
awesome. Okay, so I think
So would it be okay if Mesut I add you at least as the lead here so that at least
yeah,
one
that's
of
pretty
us are
good because
responsible?
you
Yeah.
actually can join the meeting. We can help review the if there are any meeting notes. Do they have any meeting notes? We can look at that, and then we can look at, of course, we can review the paper once it's come out, right? We can definitely review those.
Okay,
But you can, maybe from time to time, you
I
can
can
give us
ask.
update.
I can ask him. We have a connection. I can, as I remember, privately I can ask him. Maybe he has some notes. Let's
They
see.
should, right? Because for this kind of meeting, they should have some. I mean, usually we have meeting notes. I mean, these days, if you have Zoom meeting, you can also ask AI to take notes, so you don't have to write
So
notes yourself as well.
yeah.
So that would be
Oh,
helpful.
I need to learn that.
I think that's actually helpful because you wouldn't be able to write down a lot of details, right? I mean, at
True.
least I cannot. Some people they take really good notes. I'm not. So I
Yeah,
think, yeah.
not good at
But I think
multitasking either.
ours maybe I don't know if it's automatic. Maybe so we have recording. I don't know if like notes
There
is.
is some transcribe of the meeting I have seen, but I'm
Oh,
not sure
okay.
about the notes, to be
Yeah, I
honest.
don't know
But
if that's
I
yeah.
can dig that.
Yeah.
Right. Let's move on. I think we are good with this one. So we have decided that
Awesome.
we will take a look, and then Mesut, if that's okay, you will take a lead on this one, just in case that if we like don't do anything, at least one of us is keeping an active eye on this one.
Sure. I have enough motivation and energy. I can do that.
Great. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Okay.
Moving on. If there are no more questions on this one, the storage landscape white paper version 3, I think I saw there were some updates from
Yeah, already
Zing.
submitted. It's already submitted, and then
Yeah.
Karina started reviewing, and she said because initially the paper, because this was like V3, right? Previously we published paper as the like PDFs. So she said, no, you cannot do that. You have to convert. So I converted into the Markdown. So she's going to review that. Yeah. So Alex Cherkov has already reviewed the paper, so he's fine with it. And then there is some I think when Karina started reviewed, just some sections did not update saying this is V3. It was still, talking about video. So that was missed earlier. So I fixed those. So yeah.
Oh, all right. That's great. So waiting for review. Okay.
Yes.
Waiting for review. I think I should add the new link, right?
Yeah. You probably. I think we probably have that in the in Google Doc. This is probably old notes.
No, I copy pasted
Oh,
it
put it on there?
from the Google Doc, so I don't think it is there.
Update that. Oh, interesting. Okay, I thought.
Yeah, it's not there. Okay. So shall we move on to the next one?
Yeah.
And that is the data storage in cloud native AI white
It's
paper. I think,
already published. Yeah.
yeah, I don't think we should need to track this one anymore, right?
No, you can, yeah, you can remove that. Yeah.
And then if
It's already
that's the
closed that page.
case, then what is the stat of this? No, sorry, not this one. So
That one is already closed.
that one is closed.
Yeah.
Okay, let's not drag it anymore then.
Yeah, you can remove that.
Okay. So then the next one is infrastructure lifecycle.
This one is not
Any
complete.
update?
This is work in progress, I believe, right? I don't know. Somehow in that Facila pinned us for that, and then there maybe AI generates some notes that is not correct. It says it's complete. I was like, what is what? I thought it's not complete.
Yeah, no. I pinged, I think, yeah, sometimes
Yeah.
ago, and then
That's probably the AI generated. They thought,
yeah.
yeah.
So there is something going on here, and I think is it so that these sections which are in red don't have anyone as an owner? Because I am interested to join in, but I don't know what's the current status. The meeting time is pretty late for me, so I can't join the Tag Infra meeting. But maybe Thomas or Mesut, do you have any idea if these are open and some of us can take it?
Yeah, we have discussed last time, and then I have explained what is that and how we want to work, and then I have as you see, I took some parts of them, and then I have finished because it's just one pages. but we have
Mhm.
we have enough time. As I remember, we want to finish it until maybe November.
November. Yeah.
Yeah,
Till KubeCon is.
yeah, until KubeCon. But as you see, there is just Larry, Rashidat, yeah, that's all. Just 3 person. And then if it will better if someone take some part, some chapter, and just write or just start.
All right.
Yeah, I mean, but as you see, there are some red lines, and then it means we need contributors.
Right. Yes. That's great. I'll probably take at one section. I will decide which one later on. And then the idea is that I'll just put my name here, right?
Cool. Yeah.
All right. Cool. Any other questions, comments on this one?
Do you think we should do the meeting a bit earlier? So I know that
At least for me,
we
the time is really late in Finland.
it's the same for Mesut and for me as far as I know.
Yeah, it is 10 o'clock at night. It's
Yeah.
for me.
Yeah. So if we can do it earlier, why not? But I don't know what was the plan behind putting it that late.
So it was so it was kind of a time zone issue because
I do understand that.
I would
Yes.
have liked it on 8 p.m.
Yeah.
and I think Dylan sent out the meeting 2 hours too late.
Okay.
So
Okay.
there were
Well,
some
I
Perhaps we can
can,
nudge him.
yeah, I
Oh,
can
he's here.
fix that. No, I think if I remember, I believe when Bruno was a tech lead, Bruno was the one that requested it. Um,
Okay.
but we can definitely make it more friendly for folks. I mean,
Yeah.
I am not picky. Especially being on the East Coast, it's not like there's not a time that's friendly for me. Because this is just right in the middle of the afternoon for me. So if we need to move it earlier into the morning for me, that's completely fine too.
Okay. Let's revisit that then maybe at
Okay.
some point. Thomas, can you take a lead on this one?
Yep.
Okay. All right. Dylan, since you are here, I will just quickly ask, do you have any idea that is any one of us reviewing this measured incubation application? Because that is on our tag infra item, but I couldn't find the governance review, but I did find the tech review, and Jacob is actually assigned to that one.
Um, that's a good question. I don't think we've talked about Meshery in the previous project reviews, so it might be good to follow up on. I
Okay.
know some of these applications are in various states of what review issues are properly linked.
Yeah.
Because Rian had set up automation for the tech reviews first, and then just recently set up the automation for the governance reviews. So some of these
Mhm.
applications that have maybe the label on the application for review/tech or review/governance,
Mhm.
those were probably labeled before the automation. So this might be a situation where Meshery's application's been around for a while, and even though it got labeled with the governance review label, the automation never triggered an actual review issue.
Okay. Yeah, I was unclear about this as well, but then I think we can clarify that maybe later in the project review updates or maybe over Slack as well. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. Thank you. Then, is there any other thing that we want to discuss about this infrastructure lifecycle? initiative. I have actually gone through some of it today. At least I was trying to find and read this one. But any updates anyhow from, I think it was, oh, I closed it. Dylan, you are assigned to this one. Any updates on this?
Yeah, so this one, we worked through some of the miscommunications at the TOC level. Karina had closed the open PR they had that Ching had already reviewed. And so that was reopened, and we're kind of coordinating now with the TOC that this is an initiative that is co-sponsored by both TAG Infra and also TAG Operational Resilience. So they will also have a tech lead assigned to this initiative as well. And this will be, I think, one of the first initiatives where we have two tags involved in reviewing or working on it, just because of the overlap of the initiative. So I don't think there's maybe much else since this was already reviewed by us, or if a tech lead wants to step in and re-review just to get a second pair of eyes on it, that is perfectly fine and okay as well. But this was kind of stalled and stuck for a bit, mainly just because we've been trying to communicate with the original initiative owners. And just recently got a response in a DM from them. I know they've been in our meeting before, but this is moving slowly back along again. Just needs to get reviewed, and then once it's reviewed, hopefully we can get the initiative owners to do one final pass, and then it should be, it's at the point where this initiative is pretty much done from a paper standpoint. We just need to get the final reviews from us and TOC.
Okay. Yep,
So,
re-reviews are welcome.
So Dylan, do you know the original author? Are they up to date with this information? Do they know that they're supposed to address the comments and then finish this, or because I have not heard from them, not sure.
Yes, they are aware. Communication has been spotty. Previously, I had asked them to reopen a new PR because Karina had closed the original one, and then Karina just said, "Oh, we'll just reopen it." And so I hadn't heard anything for a few weeks. And then just recently they reached out to me and kind of did the usual, "Hey, what do we need to do to move this along?" As they were obviously and understandably a bit confused themselves. But I've asked them, "Hey, I've corrected myself and said, you don't need to open a new PR. We fixed the miscommunication with the TOC. We reopened the original PR, and they just need to address the comments. And then we get a final review."
Okay, because when I added comments, I don't think those are addressed yet.
No,
but
probably not.
Because shortly after that it got closed. So yeah, okay.
So I'm just trying to understand this. So there is these two different things: cloud native AI sustainability.
Yeah, it looks like the two initiatives, right?
And why is there's two now?
Yeah, is that
there is one. So they have like three issues from what I understand, because the original issue stated that they were creating two papers, and the PR is that they have and that we have reviewed is the first paper. And then there's a second issue with a second initiative for the second paper that they haven't started or drafted yet. So if you scroll down on this one, you can see this.
So this is the older one, right?
Correct. This is the original. And you can see where Karina's had said she reopened 2041.
Oh, this is confusing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because there's issues for the initiative, and then there's the PRs for the actual paper or the work.
So this is the original one, and then this probably is the new one, right? The challenges and opportunities.
Yeah, so if you scroll down in the description, it says this is the second, in the initiative description, this is the second white paper originally developed as part of the original 1675.
Yeah, all right, that clarifies it. Yeah, I have, by the way, self-assigned this one as well, because not the first one, because I wanted to at least go through this one, but I was not aware that this is a thing, because I thought both of them are the same. So we have something else then to, and then the title is, where's this one? Yep, Cloud Native AI. Okay. Anyone else wants to volunteer reviewing this one? All right. If not, then I think we can move on. Sub-project we have briefly discussed. As I said in the beginning, I have this KubeVirt graduation review, which I have started this week. It's in progress. It's graduation tech review, and I'll probably open up PRs once I have gone through their own technical review that they did last year. I'm just reading through that one, and then probably start my own as well. But is there anything else from anyone on project reviews?
For KubeVirt, you say, is that the tech? That's the tech review, right? Because I believe someone. Perfect.
Yeah,
okay. Rashid, I think one of the previous newcomers to the meeting, previously, her name was Rashida. She did the, I believe, governance review. So
I have not checked it. Yeah,
that's okay.
That's great.
I just wanted to make sure that you weren't doing a review when it was already done. But I believe she did the governance review, and you're doing the tech review.
Yeah, this is assigned to me, and I also pasted that I have started a couple of days ago. Yeah,
perfect. Well, good. Yeah, and I just want to say thank you, everyone, because we're getting really good representation from the tag and the project reviews and the TOC notices. So, this is really good. And we've been noticing too a lot of some of the reviews that pop up, that a lot of the projects are starting to start the document themselves, the actual the living document, the review document. Really, and so that it's less work on us. A lot of times it's just they come prepared with the doc and then we just review it.
Yep. I am actually doing one myself for the Metal Cube.
Perfect.
Yeah. But that's great. Thanks, Dylan. So is there any more questions, comments on this one? If not, I think we have gone through the agenda and the AOB. I have just put the panel session that we had. I had it open somewhere. Yeah, here. I thought that Zing was also included in this one, but I don't know why I don't see her. But anyhow. Or is it so that Zing, you have pulled yourself out of this one?
So I'm definitely happy to join this.
Okay.
She was on there. I wonder, did you get other talks accepted?
Yeah.
Xing?
So yeah.
Yeah, that's probably what happened is they automatically removed you because you had other talks.
thought I was
Yeah.
also on there, but I also had other talks. Maybe I wasn't on there then. I
Oh,
I
that's
was on the
interesting.
thread though, but like I also had other talks accepted. I had two accepted, so maybe that's why.
Yeah, but I
Yeah,
also have others. I don't know why then I
yeah. Let me talk to the event staff.
Oh no, this is because this is the maintainer track session. So maintainer track session, you can only have one
Yeah, I
because
also
Mm,
have
I
another
have six.
maintainer track
I,
session.
you do?
Yeah, on the Metal Cube one.
Oh yeah, you can only have one. I think they probably did not notice that. Yeah.
Oh, I was
Initially,
selected in that.
initially, yeah. Sometimes, yeah. Uh,
Mm,
so
yeah,
they,
let me reach out to the event staff because I know this happens where after the schedule comes out, people get shuffled around, people get added after people get removed. But let me
so
reach out to the event staff to see if we can just get
for this
people
one,
added.
yeah, for this one, I know because they do have the rules written on the page saying you can only have one. So so I told them, I can only have one, so I just can't be on this.
mm-hmm.
But I'm happy to, to join and work with you guys on this. So let's see.
Yeah. Mesa, do you have your hands up? So do you want to add
Yeah, I
something?
just want to ask. I mean, I will apply for the travel funding, and then one of my talks was accepted, and
Oh, that's great.
if it will be better if you add my name officially into the talk, and then I will write it in my application. Maybe it will be better for the CNCF guys for my application for travel funding. If is it possible? I mean, I will write an email or apply for it next week. Yeah, I have enough time, but
Okay.
yeah.
Dylan, you need to handle this one as well because you were the original submitter of the.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll handle fixing the speaker list because I would love to have everyone properly represented on the schedule. And if you're on, because if you're on the schedule, and especially since this is a panel, um, we would all love to share the love of the Credly badges, and to be able to say that you were a speaker at the conference, even if it is a maintainer track. So, I will reach out and see what we can do.
Thanks.
That's great. Thank you. Okay, with that, I have at least reached the end of the agenda that I had in mind. Is there anything else that anyone would like to bring up? Any questions, comments,
Hey,
suggestions on how
Kashif.
to improve these meetings? Yep.
Thanks. I mean, I was just like, just for the future meeting, maybe next meeting or the meeting after that.
Mm-hmm.
We are working, a couple of us are working on building out a data pipeline platform built on
Mm-hmm.
Kubernetes, cloud native. And so it'll be based on kind of made a lot of the Airflow and Debezium and Kafka. So many of the cloud native computing foundation and Linux foundation pieces that we're just putting as a GitHub site and just functionally testing it. So I would like to just share it here, maybe one or two meetings out, but depending on when I get a slot, and kind of get some feedback here.
So is it so that you want to present something or?
Yeah, yeah.
All right. Why not?
Yeah, that's awesome. So I also get a ask from somebody who is actually work for Red Hat. They have this project called Flight Control, open source fleet management for edge devices. He want to present at Tech Infra. I said, oh, sounds great, right? So
We can actually schedule those. I don't know. Yeah,
yeah.
here.
So we can see, who, what time works, and then we can just put them on the schedule.
Yeah.
Yeah, last time I think I had this person, but then he dropped out before that. So the one that I on July 15th that he already did not do it. So, but this is another ask. So I think maybe I know Raghu is also asking for this, so we can.
Yeah, let's do so. Can someone just quickly help me with the next dates? I don't want to just jump in between the calendar and So when is the next
Like,
one after August 26th?
I don't need to check.
All right.
So next meeting, so we have August 26th covered. So then the next one should be September 9th.
September 9th, and then
And then after that, September 23rd.
all right. So
And then
until this is
October. Then
yeah.
October
Yeah.
7th. So
October
yeah,
7th, you said.
October 7th. Yeah. Yeah, so
So yeah, Raghu, which one would you prefer so that we can already schedule?
Sorry, I was on mute. Yeah, I mean, just put me on as for 26. Yeah, 26 should be fine. Just put me in there.
This one, next one. Okay. So it was, correct me if I'm writing
Data
it wrong. So that
pipelines platform.
platform
Yeah.
presentation.
I think it can just put an S after the pipelines. And we are trying to build 3 sample pipelines.
Yep. Okay. And then Zing, you mentioned there was something else.
he was asking maybe 4 weeks from now. We have not decided, but so I maybe tentatively put it on September 9th, and I will
What was
confirm.
the name?
This is this project name. You can put down the project name called Flight Control. Let me check again. Flight Control, I think.
Flight
Flight
Control Project.
Avishay. Avishay.
Can you please add? I will just put
I
the
can.
project. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah,
It's a typo on that. Sorry, that's typo on that platform. It's
Oh, sorry.
no, it's okay. Just so the people don't. And it just also, can you add an S on the pipelines, plural?
Yes.
Okay, no, thank you.
Yeah, no worries. And I believe you can also edit it if I have written something
Oh,
wrong.
yeah, well,
Yeah.
I think there is some. I don't know. Thanks, I mean, I'll try it next time.
No worries. Yeah. I know you had some issues previously.
Yeah.
No worries. All right. Great. Thanks a lot. I think we have captured most of the things. If there's nothing else, then I would say
So
thank you. Oh, yes, go ahead.
here's one thing. Do we want to? Of course, we don't have to decide now, right? That's thing that Fasila is pinging us about. I think we need to pick a project to highlight the completed tag initiatives at the next governing board meeting at KubeCon. So I think right now the one that finishes the cloud native, the data storage in cloud native AI, that's the one that is finished. The other one, I think this one I was saying it's not the life cycle one is not really finished yet. It shows up as finished. I think it's not right, right? So of course we can even talk about this again later if we have more white paper get finished. But right now, I think there is just this one initiative finished so far, right?
So I didn't get the point. Do you want to, like, are you trying to push that we should make sure
No,
that the
no, no, I'm just
initiatives
saying.
are finished, or?
No, she's just asking us, so she just asked to think about it, right? No, I'm not saying push it. Basically, she was just saying, I don't know how many can be highlighted, because she said you need to think about which completed work to showcase. So I think we do have data storage in cloud native AI because I think that definitely
Yeah.
should be highlighted. Yeah.
Honestly, I am not sure, like how to highlight, because if it's finished, it's finished. So they can just simply
Yeah.
see
No,
it.
it's not like we highlight it. I think it sounds like she's just asking us to decide which one we do want to highlight. But I actually also think if we have multiples, I mean, what's wrong for having
Yeah.
multiples, right? So
Oh, okay. In that sense, which one?
yeah,
All
yeah.
right.
And
Yeah.
you know, just to think about that. She was that's a question she want us to be aware of. I don't think we have to. If we have like three finished, do we have to choose just one? I hope not.
I don't think so. No.
Right?
Yeah.
So yeah, okay, then we are fine. I just because did list the life cycle infrastructure there as finished. I was a little bit confused. I thought it's not completed yet. So
Yeah. All right. Cool. Yeah. Thanks for bringing that up. We can clarify with
Yeah, we
with
can
her
clarify with her.
maybe once
Yeah,
she's back. Yeah, yeah, cool.
sure.
I'll put a note. Yep. Thank you. Anything else?
Last time we have used Google Doc, and this time,
Yeah, we are coming back to this one because this had more history in that sense. I
okay.
have put a link of the Google Doc. So this, when I was away in vacation, I heard that there was an hiccup with this notes.cncf.io. And
We
now,
don't
as you
have
can see, there is this archive thing. This was not there previously. And we are skeptical, what does it mean, but still is using it. I have put the note docs here as well so that we don't lose it.
Yeah, so Google Doc will be our backup plan if we
Yeah,
don't have access
exactly.
to
Yeah.
notes again. You can use Google Doc.
Yeah, exactly. But as you can see, this has probably the history from the beginning that this tag at least existed. Does that answer your question, Masood?
Yeah, many thanks. That's all. Yeah.
Cool. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you then. Thanks for joining.
Have a
See
great
you
day.
next time. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.